Muri Zimbabwe, today is the day of the revolution. 12 o'clock, first batch of the commanders is now on the ground. So feel free to be around Africa Unity Square. 12:15, all of the commanders will be touching the ground. All of us, we are advancing inside the African Unity Square, then the action start. Then we advise each other, kuti kufamba sei from there. 12 o'clock, first batch of commanders is now with you on the ground. 12:15, all of us will be on the ground. As soon as you see us touching the ground, then action begins. Africa Unity Square is the place, so we need to start the thing inside Africa Unity Square, not outside Africa Unity Square. 15 minutes, all the commanders will be on the ground.